There seems to be one subject that I have to repeat over and over and over again with all of my students, and it seems like it doesn't matter how many times I teach this lesson. At the end of most of my classes, students will still struggle with this phrase. It's definitely a mouth issue thing. It's definitely something that's so common in this environment and said incorrectly by 99.99999% of all English speakers in Myanmar. So I want to let you know that this is something that you are going to continue to struggle with. This is something that you are going to have to work very hard to correct. And it is an issue that native speakers will definitely be sensitive to if they hear you saying it incorrectly, because it's something that native speakers would never say. In Myanmar, everyone wants to say last plus ago. Last 5 years ago, last 2 minutes ago, last 3 months ago. Never, never, never is this correct. Never. We never put last plus ago together. Instead of last plus ago, simply do not say last. Just say 5 years ago, 3 minutes ago, 2 months ago, etc. This is a definite period of time. 2 months ago is exactly 60 days ago. It's not a range of time, it's a specific time. Now, what is the problem? The problem is that native speakers sometimes do use last plus time, but we use it in a very specific way. In the last plus span of time. In the last 5 years. In the last 3 minutes. This is not a specific time, this is a span of time. I have been very busy in the last 2 weeks. That means within the last 14 days, a span of time, my life has been very busy. I don't remember exactly when I went to Bagan, but I know that it was in the last 2 years. At some point in the last 2 years, I'm not exactly sure of the time, I went to Bagan. In the last 5 minutes, I have had a horrible headache. Again, this is a span of time, not a specific time. Now, in Myanmar, most speakers mean time plus ago, 5 minutes ago, 2 months ago, etc. This is something that you are going to need to work very hard on. I cannot stress it enough. Native speakers will be very sensitive and will definitely think that you have a very strange speaking pattern if you use last plus ago.